Hello everyone and welcome back to the live session again. Uh, Today, let's discuss about today. So today was quite rough day for intraday traders or those who were looking for more than intraday for the long term. It was quite rough for those traders. So let's discuss what market has done for today and what could be the possible level for tomorrow's. So let's see into the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so what we can see in the 4 hour previously as market has give us a breakout above and currently market is trading above the breakout zone, so which is above the resistance level. Now resistance is run as a support and which is currently acting as a support as we can see in this zone. So market is in a long-term bullish term as we know that. So how much market can retrace when market does break out from certain level? So how much we can expect for the retracements of the market? So let's draw the Fibonacci. Let's find out how we can actually expect those buying levels. So to do that, what we need to do, we need to do the Fibonacci from low to the high. I'm gonna go here and let's select the Fibonacci. I'm gonna draw Fibonacci from low to the high. Okay, so now what we can see here, this is 4495.68 area. This is our first buying zone as per the Fibonacci level. So let me draw the small circle, yes, 0.33, which is one of the golden ratio for the retracement in a gold in any bullish condition, as we know that. So if you want to make more confirmation about 0.3 level of the Fibonacci, what we can do, we can take this Fibonacci, what it did break out from this high to low is, then let's see in this zone market exactly come into this 0.3% and they did give us a closer below in retest. Market create a new lower low, but this was another buying golden ratio buying zone for the buyers as well. Why? Because market was in 0.5 to 0.68 Fibonacci level, so which is one of the strong support for the buyers. And after that, what we see the jump in the market, which was exact levels which I give exactly analyze in previous week. So let me draw you. So after this expansion, what we see, what we can expect, the retrace of these levels. So exactly market give us a treatment. Now market create a new higher high and break above this resistance. Now what we can expect from the market, same similar like this one, we're gonna expect the retracement up to this zone. This is the first buying zone for us, so which is 4552 and all the way to 4567 area. This gonna be our buying zone. If market comes slowly in this zone, then we can expect like this and create a new higher high. If not, market come down with strong volume. As we can see, already high amount of ultra high amount of volume has been added in this candle. Yes, we can see the volume, so it's high. What we can expect now, market has just touched below this ultra high volume candle, but they did not give us a closer below, for, which means there is no confirmation of sales yet. But it does not mean so we're gonna hop into the buy zone, buy and take a long-term buy. No. So what we're gonna do, if market gonna give us any closer below this candle in 4 hours, yes, wherever if market give us closer above this candle, which is this zone, yes, then we're gonna expect a long-term buy or in a retest again. Yes, so like this, let me draw a candle over there. So I'll show you. If market give us a bullish closure like this, break out of this zone, then we can expect for more uh, buying gonna come in the market. So if market give us any green candle like this from this zone, then we will continue to look buy after. Let me draw again. So after close out of this zone, so we're gonna give a closer look on the chart today. So if market give us closer, any kind 4 hours candle closer below this 4586, then we might see market coming down to this zone, which was our exactly zero point 0.3 area, which is one of the golden ratio for the buyers. So let's see if they're gonna give us a deeper correction or they're gonna give us another new higher high from this zone. So that's what we're gonna expect in today market, maybe tomorrow as well, or it might take whole week. So what we're gonna see now, if market can give us any closer above in between this candle, then we're gonna take any position. If it's below closer below this line, then we will expect for more sellings. Yes, like this again. And if they give us a closer above this line, then we might expect like this, and continuation of creation of new higher high, which will be another new wave started for 4700 and possibly 48 4900 soon this month, maybe next month. So we're gonna give a closer look today. So it's very important. It's gonna be a very important session. Let's see how they're gonna open. So yeah, market just open now. It's been 5 minutes and look like they created a small gap over here. Let me go into 1 minute. Yep. So we got a gap opening here. So this is also our okay. So now what we can see in the market, guys, in 1 minute there has been a small correction here. Not correction, it's a stop loss hunting for those buyers who were buying from this zone. Yes, so this was the stop loss hunting for those buyers who were buying from this zone. So this was the stop loss hunting for those buyers. Yes, now market has just break a structure here. Why? Because market was creating a lower low. So after creating this lower high, they were supposed to create a new lower low, but market create a higher high and they change the character. This is the internal change of character. So let me clear the chart again. Yes, so after this market create this high. So this is our lower high. Now market was supposed to create a new lower low, but instead market engulf this retracement, and we will consider this as a internal change of character in a market. So market out is shift here. Now what we can expect, any closer above this area, we can expect a buy up to this no demand zone, first supply area. Yes, exactly in this zone. So exactly market did not break this low and continue higher high and exactly give us the area which we were looking for. So we take a buy position here, and I believe we closed out all the positions in this area. Recently market created after the internal change of character, market created this as a first supply. So let me clear all the drawing again. I'll show you. So this was our first supply zone. Yes, after internal change of character. So in long term, for the market structure shift, we need closer above 4620 area. Now for saying like for any confirmations, for continuation of higher high, we need closer above this line, which is 4602 area. This will be counted as a market structure shift. Now we will look for the buying side until uh, and unless market did not give us a closure in this line. Let me draw again. Yes, no, sorry. Mm, like this. So market anytime can retest this zone and fall back to create another low, or from like this they might create a structure like this. So what we're gonna expect, if market mm, come to this high, we're gonna observe the price and volume is already low and still, and market is giving trying to give us an up thrust up to this zone. So we're gonna observe in this zone, possibly they're gonna take the stop loss and again come back to this zone, which is our first supply. And today we're gonna wait for our first supply again. So I'll draw the line. So I just explain all the structure what market just did today. Yes, so market had break the structure, internal change of character, and this is our first supply. Every time what we do, market give us a first supply, they break above and eventually they come back to the first supply and they create another structure like that. Boom. And all those buyers who gonna take their position here, eventually will get horned and they will be stopped out. Then we're gonna take the positions here exactly with small stop loss down there, and we will hold for the long term. If market give us a strong strength, or how we can find out market is in a strong trend or in a weak trend, by observing the volume. Look how strong was the volume, how big was the volume in this candle. So any candle, any closer above this candle is indication for the buyers. If you know how to read even the volume, then you can make loads and loads of the profit and pips as you count. So yeah, as you can see in this red candle, look how big was the volume, and market exactly break the low and again break in, give us a closure above. This was the retest, and they could not give us a closure below the high of this ultra high candle. So which means there are buyers. So market create a new higher high, create a first supply, now trying to go high and eventually come back to the first supply and continue the trend. So this is how market create a structure. So what we're gonna expect, market, we're gonna wait for market to come back up to our zone, which is 4586. This will be our first buying zone, and if market give us a closer below this line, come like this, then we're gonna expect sell till 4562 area and further down till 50. Then why? Because in 1 hour time frame there is still correction has not completed in 1 hour time zone. If you see, let me clear all the charts, let me delete. Yes, so according to the 1 hour chart, what is market trying to show? Let me draw the triangle there. So okay, just a second. Yes, and this So, okay, now I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do for today. So today our intraday label started from this area. So I'll draw the zone uh, exactly from. This is our demand zone. This is our first demand zone, and central market come to the zone and but could not give us a closure. What does it indicate? It means there are high chances of market, going to create new higher high. Why? Because market did not give us a closure below this area. Let me draw it. Mhm. So as market create a new higher high. So let me explain today trade, just a today only. So as I can see, mm, today market yesterday market gave us a closure here. They first create a high. This was the ceiling, and they close in the bottom and they push create a new higher high, which was the look. We can see this was our resistance for today intraday. So this was the resistance. They come from this area. Look, this was the stop loss hunting. Let me explain in a 1 minute chart. So sorry. So this was the yesterday night. They open, they create a, let me tell you this, market open here and give us a closure like this, and market eventually create a new lower low. And in London session they took all the stop loss. Look, they took the stop loss from here, they took the stop loss here. All those buyers who were buying from this zone, they took the stop loss and give us a confirmation in London session. All this rally was in London session and before, uh, after the New York session as well. So after the New York session, look, market break the all-time high and create an all-time high of 4634. Now after creation of all-time high, market always give us a retracement, which was as expected. So market give us a closer below and they try to create a new higher high, but in second time they could not break the high. Look, let me clear the drawing again. So they were trying to create a high, but they could not create a high. uh, After that, market come below and break the structure here. Now market is change, market character is change. There is look, exactly in this zone the change of character is happened, and which we can say as market structure has been shift from buy side to sell side. This was the exact zone where market structure was shifted. So after breaking this structure, market, what will market do? Market eventually will come back and retest the zone. After retest, look, there was a top candle. We can see a small buying candle in the resistance, which is the indication for the selling. Big selling is coming. So as we expected, market come down, and currently they are creating a lower low. So till now they are creating a lower low. So let's see up to here and let me explain all this reason. Now what we can expect for today. So they are creating a lower low here. Low, high, creating a lower low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher low, higher low. Sorry, this was higher high, higher low, again equal high. Look, they started to reject, which is indication for the sales, and it break below here, and this was the indication for selling, and they create a new lower low. Now market structure has shifted to the buy zone, buy side from here, break up structure, new higher high, higher low, and they are reject it in a equal high. So just now market give us opening with gap. So this is the indication of there is a demand zone. So there is a strong presence of buyer in this zone. So as per the structure as well, as a head and shoulder. So this is our head, this is our first shoulder. So market possibly will create a second shoulder here like this. Then I mean, we want market to range in this zone for a couple of hours or maybe 1 2 hours. Why? Because uh, before moving to any direction, market need liquidity. So we will draw the zone like this. Yes, if market give us a closure above this zone, this will be the market structure shift. It means we will continuously look for the buy, maybe 100 point, 200 point, where up to where we can see, we can expect buy up to this zone, which is 4609. From 4601, if market give us a closure, any closure above 5 in 5 minutes, then we can see whole price go up to 4609 area. No, and sorry, and but if market did not give us a closure, then we can expect again another selling from like this, and come back to this zone again, which is 4580 area, and they will eventually go to create a new higher high. Why I am expecting market to come in this zone? Because this is our first soldier, this is our head. Look, this is the soldier, this is the head, this is another soldier. Now what we need, market need to go up to this exact resistance zone, which is the resistance of first soldier. Yes, and come back to the head again to exactly this zone, and give us any confirmation in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or maybe in a lower time frame, maybe in a 1 minute, when market will come like this from sell to buy side. Yes, that's what we're gonna expect in this zone. If market uh, create a structure like this, and then we're gonna see, look for the buy in this zone. So let's see how the market gonna create a structure here. So again, I'll just give you the final conclusion. So what I'm saying, what I'm looking for today, either market give us the rejection like this, come back to this zone, or market give us a closure over this zone, come back to retest this exact high, which is our resistance, turn support, and go back to this zone and maybe range here or maybe come back down. So if market give us a closure above 4601 area, then we're gonna take a buy from this area till 4609, which is almost 80 to 90 pips, which is enough for the intraday traders. So if we manage to catch this zone, we will still make our daily profit limit, and that's gonna be the only one trade for the day. Or market is extremely volatile and give us a structure like this within a 1 hour or maybe within a before a New York session, then we might take a multiple entry. So everything's we're gonna take, I'm gonna keep you updated in a telegram group. So hurry up and you can join the telegram group. So I'll drop the link in the chat box here. So I hope everyone understand what we are looking for today. So if any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. So now we're gonna observe the market, we're gonna watch what they're gonna do in this zone. So for scalping, you can small buying in this zone as well. If market come back to here and like this, so let me draw the candle there. If market come to this zone and give us any bullish closure like this and weak here, then we're gonna expect a push up from this zone up to where we can expect up to this resistance. So we might get any confirmation in this zone and we can take a buy position up to this zone as well. So it depends on the structure how they're gonna create in this zone. So let's give it the market couple of minutes or maybe hours. So market is slow, as we can see, its volume is really less. So we need a little bit more volume as well, then market will be a little bit faster and we can take multiple position in those conditions. If market is not fast, if market is not moving, then it will be very boring session for today. So let's see what we can do in couple of hours. Yes, for till then I will close my mic, and if any questions, you can ask me in the personal chat as well and in the live chat as well. And thank you so much for watching and keep supporting us. And thank you for now. So, okay, I'm back again. So, I want to give you some clear see in the market is volume had just hit in, and we can see a small spike in the market. So, what does it mean? It means the indications of market structure shift. Here, currently, they have shifted their market structure. So, market structure has now shift to the bullish side from uh, the sell side. Yes, now market structure is shift to the bullish side. What we need to do after market structure is saved, we're gonna look for the breakout, which recently market has done. After the breakout, we're gonna expect the retracement, is retest, and continuation for the higher high. So if market come down and retest the zone, then we're gonna take scalping buy with proper lot size, and our stop loss will be this low, which is 4,596.5. Entry level is 4,601. So if market come to this zone, we're gonna take out buy position over there. If not, market did not come to the zone. What we can expect then? Market will go to this high and come back to test this no supply area. Yes, like this, and eventually create a high and go more higher. So that's what we can expect in the market. So earlier, as I explained you, we were waiting for the breakout of this structure. So after breakout, retest and entry for the new higher high. If market come back to our level, we're gonna take a trade. If no, then we're gonna wait for the next level. That's what we do. So now, mm, market is little bit volatile, as we can see. Small amount of volumes are started to getting in the market in 1 minute. So this was the highest volume. No, this is okay. So this is the highest volume candle. Yes, until and unless market is above this high, in between this area, this is consolidation zone. So we need breakout in either upside. If market want to continue higher high, they need to close, give us a closer above this zone like this. And if they want to continue lower low like this, and they want to continue lower low, eventually they have to give us a closer like this. Then this will be the indication for the either sell side or buy side. So we're gonna observe this zone for now. So let me clear all the charts and make it clear for you. So this is high. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Uh, this is the exact high, and this is the exact low. So we're gonna observe the price, how they're gonna react in this zone. Then we can decide for either buy or sell side. So till then, we're just gonna observe, and for more details, I'll let you know after that. So okay, as you can see, I just explained all the reasons and exact area I gave you for the entry levels. Market come to exact zone and give us a confirmation. Then exactly as soon as market gives us a small confirmation, we took our entry and market even did not go below just even a one group. So as soon as we take our positions, market just give us a strong breakout towards a higher zone. So what you can expect after the breakout, come to the retest which they are doing now, and now continuation of higher high. Up to where we can expect. So let's say in the 5 minutes. Mm, First one is 461 for zone and 4619 zone. So our first zone was 4607, which is already been heated out, and now first we are expecting for 46131 and eventually 4619 as well. And then maybe more higher than this if we had a strong volume, and if we see any strong momentum, then we might hold our trade till this area as well. But I would not recommend that because we are intraday traders, so we're just gonna trade almost 100 and 200 pips, take our profit, and really stay out of the market. So currently we are running almost 70 80 pips on the profit. So yeah, manage your trade, guys. So mine is here. You can see there. Um, Also in the 1 minute, exactly market did not even move one piece below from our level. Exactly, they give us a push from where we entered our position. That's how we trade. That is what color trading, guys. So that's what you need to learn, and that's what it's supposed to be. And I hope everyone managed to catch the move. If yes, you can drop a like, comment, and you can share our channel as well.
So as you know, I've taken another buy here. If nobody has not taken a buy, you can take your position there. I took this position in the live already, so you should have taken the position there. So market is currently, as you can see, extremely high volume. I think I would now skip a couple of more, because we can see high volume is coming in the market. So look, this was the highest volume, that's why I took a trade here. My first trade is still running from here. The market place create another structure, so that's why I took my second entry as well. And right now we are in profit. So if anybody has not took a trade, they could have gone in this trade, but this was uncertainty. This wasn't quite sure trade, and still buy side is not confirmed. Guys, you are not supposed to buy in the top here. Sorry, let me draw that again, because we can see this is our soldier and this is our head, and this could be another soldier here. Yes, we are not supposed to buy in this red line. Market could just reject like this, and they come down like this in this support area. They might come down here as well. So what you can do, you could have buy here. Now my stop loss is break even. If market even come against me, they cannot do anything with my positions, because my position will be out automatically when it will come back to my zone. So if market give you the closure above, yes, like this, then this is the confirmation of going higher. So if anybody has taken positions, this is the second position, and now it's currently running almost over. So let me increase my take profit. I'll increase my take profit, guys. So
I'll increase my take profit of this position as well. If anybody took a position, just let me know in the chat box. Now, as you know, you need to do the break even like this so that you can stay safe in the market. This position is just running like this. Yeah, boom. So look how quick is the market running. That's color trade, guys. That's color trade. Water entry, exit position, and we are still safe. We are still safe. Market didn't give us a closer below. Position is still running. Look how strong is the volume. Look. The volume is running, and in the single candle, they move almost 100 pips. 100 pips, guys. That's more than 100 pips. Look how big is the volume. That's the thing I need to watch. Looks like they're gonna go higher than 4630 now. This is called a strong volume, and the trend is already bullish, guys. Oh, okay. So yeah, volume incoming. Volume is incoming, guys, and finally market reached to our first zone, first target, which was 4614 area. I hope everybody took a position there. Look how strong is the volume. This is a highest volume of this sensation, I believe. Yeah, this will be the highest volume. So if we get any closer of the 461 area, then we might, that will be the confirmation that we might continue more higher high. And if market give us a closer below this zone, which is 4606 area, then it will indicate market will come down. So this is the highest volume for this sensation. So let's see where the market gonna give us a closer. If they give us a closer of 4614 with a strong candle, and that will be the confirmation for buying continuation in higher high. So it looks like they're gonna create higher high and continue for the higher time frame. So let's see how they're gonna react in this especially in this zone. So guys, I'm in for 2 times. One is here, and now I'm not gonna take any other positions. And I think that's it for the today.